Now let me tell you about this amazing product that I have. What I have for you today, I have an amazing HELOC product. The HELOC is the home equity, is the equity that is built up between what you owe on your property versus what the bank says it's worth. The money that's in the middle is what is the equity that you can lock into. So the LOC, the LOC, stands for a line of credit. And so the HELOC acts like a revolving credit so that you can use it until the number of years that it allows you to use it as a revolving credit expires. And you can get cash out of your property to fix it. Some people want to finish their basement, or you want to redo the basement, or you want to redo a room, or you want to redo your kitchen. Some people need it to get money for college funds. Some people need it because they want to go buy an investment property. You can get your HELOC for this. This HELOC requires a 620 credit score if you're doing a HELOC off your primary property. And primary means that that's where you live. That's where you get your mail. That's your home base. So for your primary property, you only need a 620. Second, it's low docs. You don't have to show a lot. It's low docs. Third, no appraisal. They do a desktop, and that's how they figure out what your property is worth. The best thing about this HELOC, you can get the money in your account in 8 days or less. 8 days or less. If you want more information about this amazing product and how you can get money off of your home in 8 days, give me a call. Thank you, and I hope you enjoyed this moment in HELOC.